Hello, my name is Ankita Pradhan. As a student of Medhavi Skill University, I am currently pursuing a diploma in emergency medical technology, and I am second year student here to talk about my experience during this year. Studying emergency medical technology at Medhavi Skill University has been life-changing. I have gained hands-on experience and confidence through comprehensive training. At our university, we receive training in both practical and theoretical aspects of EMT. The supportive faculty and emphasis on soft skills development have prepared me for effective patient care. The curriculum combines theoretical foundation with hands-on training, allowing me to gain confidence and competence in handling real-life medical emergency. Beyond academic, the university encourages us to engage in extracurricular activities, broadening our overall learning experience and helping us grow as a well-rounded individual. This holistic approach to education has been transformational as it allows us to cultivate both technical expertise and personal growth. I am grateful for this opportunity to pursue my passion for helping others and make a positive impact in healthcare. I am proud to be a part of a profession that makes a real difference in people's lives.